Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Farah. I am back with another video and a sore throat. I do apologize with the way I'm sounding this week, but there isn't much I can do. I've had enough tea to soothe my throat, some honey, some lemon, and this is the voice I've got to work with this week, so I do apologize in advance if I sound a bit too rough. Hopefully it'll get better, but yes, I am back with another video, and today we are talking about what you can sell on Amazon Business, B2B especially. I talked about this last week as well, and this week we are actually going to do the product research using Jungle Scout and see the demand and units being sold per day for some of those products that Amazon was recommending that are high in demand. Okay, so that's what's happening in today's video. If you are interested in selling on Amazon or interested in learning all things about Amazon, do subscribe to this channel. I make videos about Amazon regularly. So guys, before I take you to my screen and we begin the product research, I want to highlight a couple of things. First off, some categories, some niches will do better for B2B than others. For example, I mentioned this in last week's video as well, that office supplies and IT products happen to be the main two categories that perform really well, both in the US and in the UK marketplaces. And especially Amazon Business, I'm going to show you in a couple of minutes on their website as well. These are the two top performing categories that are listed on top. And you can imagine that there are, office settings in all kinds of organizations, where there are healthcare, government, education, all across the board. So it makes sense that those two niches perform the best. So that's what the product research is going to be focusing on this week in today's episode. So let's jump to my screen now without further ado, and let's begin the product research using Jungle Scout. By the way, if you guys want to use Jungle Scout to do product research yourself and build on what I'm sharing with you today, there is a discount code link in the description below. Feel free to use it and get yourself signed up to Jungle Scout too. So let's go to my screen and begin the product research. So guys, we are in the B2B product opportunities tab again. And in the last video, as I mentioned, I came across these products that Amazon is recommending. Now, if we just take the top product, the laptop riser. Now, I want you to notice one thing, that this is all from a brand called Fellows. Okay, all of these products are there, and it says that these are the products that are apparently not yet on Amazon. But when you actually search for Fellows brand on Amazon, you can see that their products are available. They might not be exactly the ones that Amazon is suggesting in your account, but the brand is available. Like, for example, that Fellows high lift laptop riser stand is, I think this one is available on Amazon. So it's there, and I think it's you select, yeah. So this is what's available here. We can use Jungle Scout to actually see the daily sales, 7 daily sales of this, and it's FPM. Okay, so that's just one type that Amazon is mentioning, but now this number might seem a little low, but because if you look at the price points that are mentioned, it's £44 for one stand. So obviously it's a pricier product, and that's why the higher the price, the lower would be like your daily sale rate generally. But anyway, if we take just this product idea that Amazon is saying that a lot of customers are looking for, especially business customers, we can do some product research around that. So that's what we can do. We could just type in laptop riser for desk. So let's just take a quick look. So a couple of bestseller badges coming up. It'll just take a couple of seconds to load. But you can see straight off the bat, the cheaper options are like these stand types that just go into a little sleeve, and those are like the top four. So this has loaded. I'm just gonna initiate Jungle Scout Chrome extension on this so that we can see the results. Now I'm gonna order this by highest daily sale first. So you can see that even though the average price in the category is about £19.72, the lowest price product is around £9.99. Okay, and it's FBA. Actually, most of the first few options are FBA, and they started selling in 2020. That's all right. And the revenue, you can see, is pretty spread out. Even though this guy is selling 179 units per day, even though it's an estimate, it's a very close estimate, you can see that his closest second competitor is doing 21,500 at £8.25 cheaper product, and 112 daily units at 50,000 at £12.99. So 825 is the lowest um, price for this product, and the highest, I think it's going up to £30. It really depends, and obviously with the branded Fellows product, it was going up to £45 as well. So now this is where the private label comes in, that you are providing the same function as the branded product but at a cheaper price point, so it becomes accessible to more customers, and then customers decide which type they want. So as I said, the cheapest product, the type was I'm gonna have to minimize this to see. It was that, I think it's, if I just click on this, it'll open up. So it's this type, that's the cheapest type, the 9.99 one. And yeah, even that Kmart one is the same. So now this is the thing, the revenue is pretty spread out among the top few sellers. Like even if you go down to like let's sort it by highest to newest, somebody who has just listed this listing, date first available, yeah, somebody who's just listed this product um, on January 1st, in just January. So they're selling 15 units a day, and it's a different kind of product, selling 15 units a day. So they're making close to 6,700 from just one product. So this is like, even the newer sellers are attracting some sales. Okay, at price point it was £15, £20, £20. So it's not just that the cheapest products are selling, it's spread out. And obviously this category is high demand with high competition. So I think it's fair to say that all the sellers are attracting, on page one, at least all the results, they are attracting pretty good sale. No, now, just gonna, so guys, what I've done here is I've gone to the second page of the results, and you can see that here, if I'm not mistaken, I'm just gonna, okay, it's basically loading the first 106 products, and I can ask it to load more. So I just want to see like where does the sale starts going really low, and that's what I'm trying to see. So this guy is just take a couple of seconds to load. Okay, so it has loaded another 50 or 60 products, and you can see that these guys don't actually have daily sales, they have 24 monthly sales. So again, it's an estimate, so some of these products are not doing so great. And but then again, it's a high demand with high competition. So and everybody that is bidding on ads, using ads to get to the first page is attracting a lot of sales. So definitely there is opportunity here. And that's just one of the products that I have researched, and it's the laptop riser, a desk laptop riser. Okay, so this is just gonna close this, and we'll keep this open. But I also went to Alibaba and I just checked that okay, what is like the average cost for a laptop riser? So there's different types. This is the type that we saw was being sold for 9.99 and like 12 to 13 pounds. Um, the average cost here, you can say maybe the landed cost price might be about $4 landed, but obviously this is just one option. You can find options that are cheaper. Um, but even if like let's just say it costs us $4 to get this product, okay, $3 for over 100,000 pieces. Between 1,000 to 10,000 pieces is $3.26. Okay, let's just assume one of these price points that you're able to order this many units, and you say that okay, I will give it another dollar or a pound for shipping. Let's call it $4. Okay. Now I want to go back to this, and I want to run the Jungle Scout on this. Okay. So let's open the profit calculator here, and um, okay. So it's just taking a couple of seconds to pull. The fulfillment fee is £2.21. Referral fee is £1.53. Because it's a low cost product selling at $9.99, it's the fees are not too atrocious. Let's just put in £4. You stand to make about £2.25 per unit. Now, this is an estimate. This is what you can expect from something like this. But the point is that this product recommendation shows you and gives you a bit of insight that what kind of products are doing really well in these industry, like in something like Amazon Business, where these big time spenders, these companies, which might be government, might be healthcare, schools, education, these organizations are spending money on these kind of products. And this is just one of the office supply IT product. This laptop browser ticks both boxes. So this is something that's common on Amazon.com, which is a US version of Amazon Business, and Amazon um, UK. Okay, office supplies and IT products are the two top categories where there's products that are in a lot of demand. And when you look at the makeup of these, there's a lot less categories here compared to Amazon US. Amazon US, even like number three is break room supplies. In the UK, it's much down the list. And then restaurant supplies, professional medical supplies, wholesale purchasing. There's a lot more business happening on Amazon US than Amazon UK. That's a given because of the size of the market anyway. But the cost of this product is not too bad. Sorry about that. And um, what what this shows you, if we go back to highest number of daily sales, because there's an Amazon Basics there too, which is open that into a new window and just see. It's their Amazon Basics is very different to what their highest selling one is, which is 126 daily units. Uh, Kmart is a very interesting company. Like whenever I'm doing product research, I come across their products and I'm always like, these guys are they import like the I think big quantities of product and they have this seller is something to like, keep on your an eye on because they always have interesting products that are doing really high volume. Um, but yeah, it's one of the products that are attracting a lot of business, um, purchasing. Obviously, that detail is not available here. We don't know which orders are business and which are, individual orders. We can't know that from Jungle Scout, but going from what a data Amazon does make public, you can assume that, IT and office supplies will be like one of the top categories where there is a lot of business purchasing happening or from different institutions, and that's where the opportunity lies. So I hope you guys found this video useful. I do apologize for the state of my voice in this video, but there isn't much I can do about it. Hopefully by next week this will get better. I will see you guys next time.